today I had an idea. I was like, I have had the 48.8 rear end in my BMW for quite a while and I've never really tested it out. So the goal of this video is to do a big burnout in the 135. I don't really know if we'll be able to make it happen because I haven't done one before. So we're gonna see what happens. Just recently hit 10K, so I'm super stoked about that. If you guys could, please turn on post notifications so you guys can see when I post. Before we do that, I got to have my breakfast. I'm gonna change, get ready. I got a few errands to run, and then we're gonna see what the 135 can do. Hello?
Hi.
What's up?
Please tell me you have your spare car key.
Why?
You left your keys in my car.
No! Are you serious?
Yeah, do you have them?
I have no clue where they are. Give them to the girl at the coffee stand.
No way.
Why?
How are you gonna get them? You're gonna walk the coffee stand?
It's better than not having a car. When your dad's money is also your money. He's reading the dealership receipt. People are so mad. Funny thing is, 99% of them are hate comments. Hopefully you guys can see this. Broke out the GoPro. First time in a while. To let you guys know, I'm not on kill right now. This is my like 20 pounds tune, pump gas. I don't know, it's probably like low 500s. Still rips, and I'm on a 265, so it spins pretty bad, but it's fun, it's just not insanely fast. And for me to get E85, I have to drive super far. But the gates are opening like periodically. I think it's just because it's too light of a spring. I probably look like Splinter Cell right now to people. Like, what the f is he doing with the GoPro? That thing makes 200 horsepower. Just left my storage unit. I fully reorganized it. I was gonna film some of it. It was not exciting, so on to the next thing. I'm feeling pretty accomplished. I got all my errands done. But there's one thing I'm pissed about. Newsflash, I bought a car. I bought a car on Friday. It's Sunday today. I'm able to pick it up on either Monday or Tuesday. And I'm really excited to show you guys. You guys are probably gonna love it. I don't think you're expecting it at all. And I'm hyped. But the salesman accidentally took my ID. So I just went to the grocery store and I tried to buy cooking wine because I was gonna make pasta tonight for me and Camilla. And he wouldn't let me buy cooking wine because I didn't have my ID. I'm like, dude, you think I'm gonna drink this? Anyways, I gotta go to the store again later, but I got most of my errands done besides gym. So I'm gonna put these groceries away, and then I think it's time to find a spot where we can do a burnout in the 135. I've had like 700 to 800 people subscribe in the last week. So I wanna give you guys a quick rundown of the 135 before I do a burnout. We just found this random spot. He's like nodding, he's like, what the f? Yeah. But this is a 2008 135i. I'll show you guys it real fast. Done a lot to this car. Doesn't look like it from the outside, but it's a single turbo car. Port injection, E85. Right now I'm just on pump gas. It's stock motor, but I've done everything else. Come here, show them this. This is one of my favorite parts about the car. It's a full Ford 8.8 rear end with axles and a single piece drive shaft. That's one of the things I'm most proud of. So it's a work in progress, but I want to show you guys. And also I got a new car coming on either tomorrow or the next day, so stay tuned.
Tomorrow the next day in the YouTube video, or tomorrow the next day in like 2 weeks?
It's probably gonna be like a week for them.
Yeah.
So should I just send it real fast? Take two. Watch out. Look at this. The scenic views. Dude, for some reason it's not letting me do a burnout. It's like the brakes are locking up.
Hopefully I filmed it good. I was trying to like look at this and then look at your
I know.
phone. BMWs suck.
I know, I fucking hate them.
Imagine if that was just a cop.
Just had to do a few donuts because for some reason the car still won't let me do a standstill burnout. I thought that with the Ford 8.8 it would fix all the e-diff stuff, but apparently I need to code something out so it lets me do it, because it feels like it's just locking up the brakes, which is weird. It's kind of annoying. Spent $5 grand on a f***ing differential and I can't even do a burnout. God, dude.
N54 is the bet.
Oh my god.
Bro. We have 5% Nick, so today is going to be an absolute domer. Day in the life of YouTubers. I don't know where we're at. We're in the middle of Duval. The plan was to go do donuts. We're kind of failing that mission at the moment.
Yeah, we are. Road is so sick. Slippery too.
Yeah. Oh, right here is perfect.
He stopped to watch.
Did he?
Yeah.
Home of the green. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Corey Builds.
The goal is to come out here and do a burnout with the car, but for some reason the car won't let me do a burnout. If you guys know how to code out that shit, let me know, because it doesn't let me and it's super frustrating. Got some donuts for you guys. Hopefully that's good enough. We just stopped here. When we filmed the TikTok, this is a sick little spot, so go check out my TikTok.
And my Instagram.
Yeah, and my Instagram.
.35mm.
And that, I'll tag it, link in bio. Yeah, go run up to TikTok, run up to Shorts. Make sure to turn on post notifications on my YouTube videos so you see my next video of my new car reveal. I'm stoked. Look at this spot. That's kind of scary, honestly.
This boy thinks he's tough because he cops 92. You just gotta spend more money. I don't know, I think I should just take over this channel, low key. It's got boring. How much do you think his tank's gonna be? I think it's gonna be like, I don't know, maybe 70, 80. I might be pushing it a little bit too much. Now he's dancing. Ooh, okay.
Should I buy Huracan?
No. He's gonna drive that every day. That. This feeling.
Maybe just a sick daily, I think.
Okay, I feel like I'm driving now. It's like a right-hand drive. Race car.
Are you slobbing on my knob right now?
Nah, bro. Dude, I'm not trying to come off like that.
Why did I just get in the whip when you're doing that?
Doing what?